Linking a bank account of Citibank is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. Follow these steps to successfully link your account. Step 1. Log into your Citibank account. Visit the Citibank website or open the Citibank mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Link a New Account. In the Account Settings menu, find the option that says Link a New Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter the details of the bank account you wish to link. Provide the necessary information, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate. Step 5. Confirm and verify. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Citibank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Citibank customer support for assistance.